Gravitational launch. North South Carolina Auxiliary Air Force
What the hell?
About 2.5 by 1 mile. Looks like they keep it mowed.
Let me go. I gotta be inspected. Bye. Yeah. Finally get him off. That's a hypertron. Yeah, right. You've seen this before.
Winds of about 10 miles an hour out of the west-northwest. This is one of Chuck's 3D printed rockets.
That part you know. Yeah. And he's flying his Nike 2 on a D12.5 parachute.
Got one on a low power.
Selected and armed. Range and skies are clear. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The weather caught fell off a lot. Oh, shoot.
Yep.
Spit the parachute.
Yeah.
Spit the parachute big time.
That's your chute going over there.
Strip the heck out of it. That chute will come.
This 3
Chuck's 3D printed rocket.
3D DD on a G80 12-second. He's got a parachute Apogee 1200 is the main that's expected. First flight heads up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. No idea.
Dual deploy. Alexander's yellow rocket. J1.
Range and skies are clear. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, it burned the igniter. We'll have Mr. Johnny check that for you in a minute.
Okay.
All right, up next we got Jerry Sullivan High Flyer on a C6 with a streamer recovery. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Up next we got Alan Madden flying his NCR Patriot on a G77. So
Alan
pad 2
Madden.
selected and armed. Range and skies are clear. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those reds are hard to light. Whoa! Blow by. Look like. No?
Yeah.
I don't know what that was. That was odd.
Flew early.
Easy recovery.
Let's watch it.
All right. Up next on the right, we got Tom Benford. He's flying his Deuce 54 with 2 J150s. Dual deploy. Should see the main at 500. And we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice fly. Oh, right, Tom.
Yep. All right. We're doing good. Everything's all together. Tom, I don't think you're going to have a long walk, buddy.
Got a tracker in it, that's why.
Where's the parachute?
It'll come out in just a minute.
Away from the runway.
All right, we should be seeing a main shortly. Here we go, the main's out. It's under. Whoa! It's undershoot. Took a while to swing under. And.
On the run.
Oh!
This is a Citadel rocket.
Going over. You're not seeing the vent yet. I see the vent. We got parachute.
Well, it's dropping straight down.
Max on the F-67.
Man's red, 4-inch red max on an
Range and
F-67.
skies are clear. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got you up, Mark, right? Straight as an arrow, coming over. Man, this is almost a perfect flight profile so far. Hey, and it held together.
I resemble that remark.
Yeah, man. But the thing is, when it hits you in the head,
Oh, I'm sorry for your paint job.
Wait,
So it's going to land on the runway.
Hey, light stick. No, no.
All right, up next we got
That's the
Tom.
yellow one.
On D3 is flying as Goblin on an L-1720. We got parachutes, recovery, main at 500. It is selected and armed. Range and skies are clear. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
whistle, echo.
Hey, thanks for having military base.
Oh, smooth, man.
It's coming down.
Starting over. Very nice. Vent, we're good.
It's all over, girl.
You know, Joe?
Should be on a drogue.
Yeah.
Beautiful fall coming down.
That's the lady out of the rocket.
Yeah,
You're still smoking.
that's a good thing. Makes it easier for old people to see it.
Especially the nice clear blue sky that he times it out in.
Oh, come on. I'm afraid he's going to wind up on the runway.
I don't know, he's got
He's going through the sun. He's going through the sun.
I can't see it.
No, he's cleared the runway.
Yeah, he's going through the sun.
I think it was a parachute coming down.
It's right there, coming down.
Made it 700.
He's cleared the runway. He has. Good job, Tom. Excellent flight.
Thank you. That name was in the nose cone.
Good line, too.
You might even stick it.
Range is safe.
You got yellow rocket
You
over
might
it.
stick
They
it.
need to readjust it now.
Blue better. All right, Bobby.
Uh-huh,
you
trailer.
know what's he need to do with that?
Stephen Jones flying his Genesis on an I-170. This is a Cert 1 flight,
B4.
and we got it selected and armed. I hear somebody coming.
Thought that was D1.
That was your potty run.
Oh, okay, potty run. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, right. Yeah, he was fast enough to rail, but didn't have a problem.
Looks like it made the cloud.
Over.
Nope, there it is.
You got it, brother.
There it is. Shoot.
You gotta shoot.
Oh man.
It's
All right,
stressful.
so
This is one of the Citadel's rockets.
yeah, that was the main that deployed.
Mm-hmm.
What happened with Johnny?
Name went off.
He armed the altimeter and it went poof.
Ready? D1 is selected and armed. Good tone. We got Steven Centauris on an I-216 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got that up part well, man.
Dude,
Jeez Louise.
straight, way up.
Got eyes.
Still going.
Still posting.
No, I think he's at about 8.
Now it's
Just art.
I saw the event. Eyes are clear, and Jordan's Big Daddy
an
on an
F-20.
F-22 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where did she go?
it goes over. It's over there.
All right, we got Fred going on a
Single
J450 single-use motor, and 5, 4, 3,
4-inch
2,
rocket.
1. All right, looking for an event. Come on, there we go. I saw a puff of smoke, and I
There, I heard
drove.
it. It was out there deployed,
Yeah,
so it always looks later than it is.
Can you see it? I can't see it.
I can see it, Fred. I got it. At least for now.